Hello art friends, get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing Yoshi from Mario Brothers. All right, so to start with, we're gonna draw a great big circle, but we're not gonna let the circle continue. We're just gonna draw a circle. We're gonna have a little nose hole here for Yoshi's little nose holes. Then we're gonna come right here and we're gonna draw kind of another circle. So it's like circle, circle. Then we're gonna draw his mouth that just comes down and back up. And then he's got a line on the outside of it that comes like that. And then he's got a great big Yoshi belly, like so. And then he's got an arm coming out here. There's one arm, it's kind of behind it. Here's the other arm. And then it's got some little round lines coming out first. And we've got a thumb, like that. And we've got a finger, like that. And then it comes across and we've got another finger like that. And then we've got a third finger like that. There we go. All right, then up here, let's see, where should we go next? I think I'm gonna continue this line. So we're gonna continue this line across. And we have a little line coming down. And then we have another arm coming out, and they kind of get narrower here than here. And we've got another line, curvy line, and we have a finger, and it comes across, and we have another finger, and then we have another finger, like that. And then we have a thumb, like this, that kind of comes back. There we go. And then we have this line that comes up and around. And then we have an eyeball here. So we're gonna make a curvy line and an arced line like that. And it's gonna have an eyeball. It's gonna have white in the middle. And we have another eyeball that goes behind it, so it's like an upside down J. Leave a little white there. Then we have curvy that lines up with that. Then we have a little bump, and we have another little bump, and we have another little bump. Shell back here, it's gonna come back like a J, and then it's got another line that comes up, and it comes around like that, and then we've got his little dino tail that comes around, and then we've got a leg, curvy line, curvy, there's his shoe, curvy, like that. I'm running out of room. And then he's got the sole on his foot like so. And then we have a little line here. And then that comes up like that. And then we have another line here for his other leg. Curvy line, curvy, curve. Another shoe, like so. We'll just draw the edge of that. Yeah, that looks good. put this in over a little bit. All right, and there, my friends, is Yoshi. Hey, if you enjoyed this drawing, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.